Hi, I'm Chris. Welcome to CandyWarehouse.com, a magical place featuring 5,000 sweets. This is my family, and we love candy.
Candy!
And the candy.
Candy! CandyWarehouse.com is a sweet new website that will totally blow your mind and will revolutionize the way we live to this very day. My favorite way to shop for candy on the new site is to browse by color. We've organized our candy products according to all the colors of the rainbow. Candy! I want more candy! If you're shopping for candy for an event with a theme, we've grouped our products according to themes like Halloween, Christmas, or Easter, but not Arbor Day. Sorry, trees!
Oh man, come on.
Create a stunning candy buffet at your next event using our buffet builder. Create your own custom candy buffet masterpiece. Study the tips and tricks section of the buffet builder. It's like dessert table design for dummies. We're obsessed with delivering quality candy in the freshest and fastest way possible. Our warehouse and offices are located in sunny LA. It's climate controlled to keep your goodies fresh, cool, and ready to ship fast. Our site's innovative shopping cart not only reads the temperature and humidity in your area, but it also offers free cooling packs. We promise to let you know when we announce a promotion if you sign up for our newsletter or like us on Facebook. Look for dessert table inspiration on our Pinterest boards.
Fresh candy, ship fast.
Candy.